Hello happy people, this is your host CryptoPuffy and welcome to our today's show. Any fan of video games or the virtual world in general knows that most of the time the game structure and game rules are normally preset. This means that as a gamer you have to enjoy the game as it was developed by its owners and developers with little room for your own imagination. But have you ever thought the virtual world can offer you the possibility of creating, sharing, experiencing and even monetizing your own game with your own rules? Have you ever visualized a platform that lets you explore your imagination and provides you with the tools to create your own very own metaverse? No? Then welcome to the future, my friends. NetVRK is a social virtual reality platform on the blockchain with tools that allow you to easily create, share and monetize your creations. In this video, we are going to review the project, explaining more about what it is, its features, how it works, its tokenomics and even their upcoming IDO on pools. Be sure to watch this video until the very end, especially if you are a fan of virtual games and learn how to create your own very own immersive gaming experience. Also, before we jump into the video, please note that the content here is meant for education and entertainment purposes only and is not to be used as financial advice. Your capital may be at risk. With that being said, let's go! What is NetVRK? It is a social virtual world and platform that brings a new virtual reality universe into the crypto world. It is an API that was developed back in 2016 to provide a unique possibility of creating and generating an outstanding, visually attractive world that can be virtually explored, populated and even reshaped to match all users' needs. The NetVRK platform is meant to help everyone to use their worlds not only for entertainment purposes but also for professional needs. Users are also meant to enjoy a blockchain-based ecosystem that provides tools to monetize VR environments in a secure economy. Mind-blowing, isn't it? Hey, are you enjoying the video so far and getting value from it? If yes, then please hit that like button. Also, subscribe please if you haven't done so already and press the bell icon so that you will always be notified about newest videos. Oh, and just in case you are new here, our channel is your home of all amazing facts and latest developments in the world of cryptocurrencies. Now, back to the video. Back to NVRK. Despite a lot of potential, the virtual reality space has not yet gone mainstream. This is mainly due to reasons such as lack of quality within the VR environment and shortage of well-crafted design tools, high content creation standards and complex conditions for the average user, and expensive costs of app creation making it hard to enter this space. Plus, the lack of possible ways to monetize activities within VR or for mainstream industries to capitalize within the industry itself. There could be many more reasons, but these are the ones that cripple VR the most, and NetVRK proposes to solve them and mainstream the world of VR. NetVRK intends to do this by creating a social VR platform with powerful creation tools and the infrastructure to easily create, share, experience and monetize VR. The solution that NetVRK brings to the table will solve the problems we mentioned earlier in the following ways. Well, first, bringing an unlimited amount of unique content into the VR space, which will strike an endless interest in VR with rapid consumer growth. Then, enabling users at all levels to create VR apps and compiling VR content for business or pleasure with the use of NetVRK unique editor and multifunctional tools. And all this will require no technical knowledge at all. You will not need to have previous coding or programming experience, and that's pretty amazing, right? And lastly, NetVRK users will enjoy various rewards for participating, and those with businesses will be able to capitalize them through numerous means of monetization. To put it this simply, the benefits you will enjoy are mostly those that come with big gaming crypto giants like Star Atlas, including the possibility to monetize your virtual earnings. The only new aspects with NetVRK is that the power of creating the game is in your hands. The NetVRK's token has some pretty advanced use cases, including staking, which is another way of earning passive income with a NetVRK token, apart from game earnings, of course. And the stakers pay a fixed percentage of profits based on staking the tokens in the network. The NetVRK token can also be used to buy assets, within the virtual reality world, such as buildings, vehicles, houses, along with many others that will be found in the NetVRK marketplace. Another interesting use case is the possibility of buying land. Tokens can be used to purchase land in the prime real estate hotspots, such as overlooking the beach or right in front of the city, much the like in the real world. NetVRK tokens can also be used to buy advertising space, which can be used to generate a form of passive income and be on-sold to other parties for healthy profits. And finally, the token can also be used to generate non-fungible tokens, NFTs, yet another way of earning additional income. With all these token uses, there is definitely no way you will end up a project like NetVRK. An interesting aspect of this project is that it leverages on the global augmented and virtual reality market, which was valued at around $26.7 billion in 2018 and is expected to reach approximately $814 billion by 2025 at a CAGR rate of 63% between 2019 and 2025. When you consider the growth projections of the VR gaming market, VR market revenue, and the global VR user base in the next 3 to 5 years, there is no denying that NetVRK is justified and has a viable market, making it very bullish. Moving to the tokenomics, NetVRK is seeking financing to proceed with the platform development and push VR and content generation into the next stage through a mix of organic and strategic growth. With the market cap of $678,750 at TGE and a hard cap of $2.5 million, the token allocation will be split between the team with 12.5%, operations 5%, marketing 6%, advisor 6%, pre-seed sales 6%, private 1 6.5%, private 2 7%, public sale 3%, and staking rewards 20%, and community enrichment wallet 20%, and exchange liquidity 3%. And of course, all these have different locking periods and vesting months. There are more details available in the official website tokenomics section, so please feel to check them out in order to make sure that you want to do this kind of investment. Moving on to the NetVRK team, it is led by Michael Caselli, the CEO whose background is in engineering and game and tech development. The COO is Linus Chi, he has a background in graphics and game design and is a gifted artist, and the CMO Daniel Kennedy has a background in marketing and real estate. The rest of the team comprise diversely skilled professionals, from developers and researchers to VR experts, that will help turn the vision of NetVRK into a reality. The project has also plenty of strategic partners, including Ferrum, Bondly, Pools, VersoView, all the way to Leprechaun and Polygon. NetVRK has also some reputable investors on board, from Startup Studio, Skyvision Capital, GD10 Ventures, Rio DeFi, and all the way to Blocksync Ventures. Last but not least, NetVRK recently announced their NTVRK IDO, an open whitelisting for Pools. Pools is a decentralized cross-chain IDO platform built on top of Web 3.0 infrastructure to enable crypto projects to raise funds before listing, and has already integrated with many different blockchains. In fact, it is in discussions with more than 10 of the biggest blockchain networks at the moment. For participants to be eligible for whitelisting for the NTVRK IDO on Pools, they will have to stake their Pools token in the staking page and follow both the social media platform of Pools and NetVRK for updates on a detailed step-by-step guide on how to participate. Interesting to note is that Pools now has a more community-centric approach to offering IDO token allocations, where every Pools token you stake in your wallet adds more weight to your chance of winning an IDO allocation. The top 100 Pools token stakers win a guaranteed allocation, while the rest will have to participate in the whitelisting process to get base and bonus allocations. Again, more details will be announced as they are released, so stay tuned into our show and be sure to follow both Pools and NetVRK on Twitter and Telegram. That's all we had for today, and we really hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to like the video if you got value from it, and make sure you subscribe and click the bell button so you never miss any of our videos in the future. Until next time, cheers guys, bye bye.